because tight bodies and relaxed brains simply cannot coexist. If your bedtime routine feels like emotional roulette, it's not because you suck at routines. It's because your nervous system is doing its best to protect you with a window that's been smudged, narrowed, and weather worn by life. But here's the good news: windows can expand. So I want you to take a moment and reflect. What does your body do when you try to be still? What sensations arise when you finally stop moving? What stories start playing in your mind when the distractions fall away? Because those aren't random. They're your nervous system speaking its truth. And learning to listen is the first step towards reclaiming your right to rest. All of these frameworks are helpful, but sometimes we understand best through stories. So let me shift gears and share how these nervous system patterns actually show up in real life. Let me share a story, not mine this time, but one I hear variations of constantly in my work with clients and community members. Let's call her Maya.